Right, we are at the Villas at Fortune Place in Kissimmee, Florida. And we are staying right over here in these buildings here. We are right at the front, and I don't know if you can see, there's the pool right there with a little splashy thing. And so that's walking distance, which is really nice. So let's go in and do a quick room tour. Let's see. Yeah, so that's our view. That's where we're at. Okay. So here is the living room. It's okay, Chris, you don't have to hide. So we have two couches. I believe that one folds out. We will try that. Yeah, it probably has been empty for a while. There are a couple of flies on the floor. So this one is a 2-bedroom. Here's the first bedroom. There's one lamp, one side table. Wish they had two, but you know, it's fine. Nice, big, deep closets. Extra pillows, extra blankets. Television. We brought that fan that's tucked behind there. And 6 drawers, nice door space. That is heating and air. So this is the first shower, not a tub, it is a shower with seating. And the nice thing is underneath here is nice and clean. There's no speck of dirt underneath there. So that is nice. There's a lot of room in there too. Nice big table. Lots and lots of windows and a massive kitchen. An absolutely massive kitchen. It's a nice big refrigerator. We've stocked it, it did not come stocked. And it has ice machine in it. Oh, so sorry, I will slow down. Ice machine. Lots of cabinets. It comes with all of the cutleries and cups and plates and stuff, but we did bring a lot of plastic forks and knives and plates to just have to do less dishes. But it does have a dishwasher, and it does have a washer and dryer. And it came with a broom and dustpan. I don't see a mop, but it does have a broom and dustpan. So that's good. But I bet we could ask for one. We'll see. So here's the larger second bedroom. And so it's got a bench. Yeah, turn the light on, that's fine. It has the bigger television. So the fan we brought, it did not come with a fan, but it does have a ceiling fan. And this one has a nightstand on either side, and this looks like a queen size. They're both queen, okay. Pretty picture on the wall. Nice big. Well, actually this one's much smaller than the closet in the other one.
Oh, is it? So
yeah,
you get a bigger closet?
We have a much wider closet in that other one, and there is an iron. And then this bathroom is an ensuite, but there's no tub in either one. But it is clean.
Oh yeah.
Nice and clean. The shower curtains are nice and white. There's no mildew. Now we did, let's see in here. Yeah, that's nice and white and clean in there too. And it comes with a hairdryer in this bathroom, but there's not a hairdryer in the other bathroom. Now for COVID-19 stuff, we did come through Mom Prepared, and we have Lysol wiped everything, and we Lysol sprayed everything, including the floors. I prefer to Lysol the floors because I don't like to walk around on the floors potentially, you know, gooey, yucky things. But yeah, so this particular one does not have a back porch, but yeah, we think that's the 3-bedroom. We'll find out more about that, but yeah. So that's it. Nice and cozy. Actually, it's bigger than cozy. Nice big ceiling fan in here. So this is the Villas at Fortune Place at Kissimmee or Kissimmee. We don't know which way to say it, so if you know, please let us know. Chris says don't kiss me, please. I'm allowed to kiss you though. I'm allowed to kiss that one. Anyway, I'm gonna kiss you in Kissimmee. So this is our room tour, and we'll do more on the big thing in a different video. Thanks for watching. Bye.